Alright. Here we go. I'm gonna start playing some Just Cause 2. Got my new camera. Hopefully it has better quality than my last videos. And here we go. Normal. So no scrub. By holding the LB, you can attach a grappling hook to a second target and to tether two objects, blah blah blah. And it's just loading.
Here we are, Panau Islands, Southeast Asia's best kept secret.
It's agency territory, right? U.S. friendly.
Not anymore.
That's the main character.
And that's why we're here.
Someone not dancing to Uncle Sam's tune?
The old president was assassinated by the new president, Pandak Panay, his son. And he won't pick up the phone.
He doesn't sound much like a people person.
Right. He's attempting to eliminate all opposition. Sheldon was trying to figure out his agenda when he disappeared.
So, what? He's gone dark before.
Not like this. Worst case scenario, he's gone rogue.
So what's in it for him?
I don't know, Rico. But if he has turned, you gotta take him out.
That's a bitter pill, King. Sheldon taught me everything I know.
Which is why you're here. You know his M.O.
I can't argue with that.
We gathered all available intel onto these memory cards. Marshall here will download them onto your PDA.
Marshall. And they get shot.
That's incendiary stuff on those cards. They fall into the wrong hands. It's gonna be one hell of a firestorm back in Washington.
Wow, that's funny.
Whoa! The natives are restless!
Someone doesn't like us.
Panauan military. I recognize the flak. We sold them those guns. Get back from there!
What an idiot.
Oh, hell. I was running out of ammo anyway. Don't wait up.
Wow, that's funny.
Marshall is dead, but he's still got your PDA. Catch up with him before he crashes into the ground.
Okay, how do we go faster? So I just do this. Did I lose? Game over?
Damn memory cards are sprinkled like confetti all over the place. Good thing they've got tracers. Land outside of that base.
Not too early to open the parachute. Oh my god. Hate these controls. Oh, whoa, whoa. It's inverted. Whoa. Whoa.
Big guns for such a small island.
There are 5 remaining memory cards, all full of compromising intel. You better haul ass before the locals get their hands on them.
You're a whole ass.
Use your grappling hook to get inside the base.
Okay, I cannot use my grappling hook. Oh.
Take that guard out.
Oh, damn. Okay, so how do I take my gun out? It's not telling me how to take my gun out. Oh, nice. I'm supposed to go up here. Oh, nice.
Alert! Alert! There is a trespasser in this area. He must be seized at once.
Enemy! Look out! Incoming hostiles! Good job. You need to find a gun, Rico.
Alright. Weapon stash. Guess I'll take it. RT to fire.
I've got a lock on another memory card.
Everybody down!
I'm just staying here and they're missing. Oh my god. How many bullets can you take? Headshot.
Hostiles have been sighted. Locate and kill. I see him! Over here!
Ah, die. This game seems pretty easy. A lot easier than Rainbow Six.
Incoming hostile chopper. Use the flak cannon.
What? The what? Oh, the thing up here? That piece of shit? Oh my god. How do I get up there? God damn.